Hey guys, just a quick video that we are going to do. Today we are doing the oil change on my mom's 2003 Trailblazer EXT on this Vortec engine, V6, straight 6, whatever, 4200. So let's get to this video. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take this off. Well, not take it off, but open it up a little bit. Take off the oil cap, not too far. But about right there, and smell like gas. About right there, just to keep it open so you can get air in it, so all the oil can come out in one shot. So, next step. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, firstly, I'm gonna write down the mileage and what date it is, so I can know. 237,837. So let's write that on the my ghetto rig thing right here. I'm gonna write it on this tape, and I'm gonna wrap it around this so I can know. No, don't do that. So I can know how many miles I've done it back. So I wrote the date down, Sunday, February 3rd, 2019. 237,837 miles on the truck. But it doesn't have it. It have 159,000 now. So I'm just gonna have to work with this mileage on this truck right now. So yeah. Now let's get changing the oil on this beautiful big red truck. Next up, you want to make sure that you got your oil drain pan. 7 quarts, okay. That's exactly how much my mom's truck. And oh, perfect. So now let's get under this truck so we can do an oil change. Okay, so now that we're under the truck, the drainage plug is right here. The drainage plug is right here. This beauty right here. So now let's look for the and I just found it. It's right here. There go the what's that thing is? The oil filter. Right there, if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it. Right there. So we're gonna have to take off this. No, yeah, we're gonna have to take this off. I think this plastic piece right here, so we can get to that and drain that. Let's go. That I got is a 15. Most people were saying that it's a 13, but let's check. Oh, perfect. So my standard is a 15. A lot of people are saying it's a 13, but it's not. So, okay, let's get this bucket put under here and let this drain, guys. Let's go. Oh my God. Hope this don't be messy. Think it's gonna be messy, guys. So, okay. Okay. Hope it's not hot. And drain. Oh, look at that. Oh God, this is black. Holy cow, this oil is black, guys. Oh my god, it's disgusting. Oh my god. Oh. There goes the oil coming out. Okay, it's supposed to be 7 quarts, guys. This might go over. It's already. Okay, I think I should go get something else. Or just let it drain out on my... I can't let it drain out. I can't. This can't be 7 quarts. It's time to find out. Okay, I guess it is because it's standing out. Oh my god, what was that? Yep, I guess it is. Okay, we gotta let that finish draining out so we can get these plastic pieces out. And so we can take the filter off. I know you want to play with the oil, but you can't. This isn't for animals, okay? You want to know about cars, don't you? Nope, you can't. It's not for you. But it's almost draining out, guys. And she wants to help me fix on my mom's truck. So, now let's take this plastic piece off. What are you doing? You're on camera. You know that? Why do you want to play? We're working on the car. Oh. You want to play? He's so cute. I love cats. Okay. What are you doing? You can't do that. Oh. Okay. Yawning, you make me yawn. Whoa. Oh my god, how can a cat make you yawn? Oh. Drip out. Come on. Oh. 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 Okay. Think what I'm thinking? Are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? Say hi, camera. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, let's take this filter off. We're gonna have to go to the other side of the truck. Just this way. And hope for the best that it's loose enough that I can just and it's not. So I'm gonna need 2 hands, guys. Take 2. Look how black my arm is. Ugh. Holy cow, that was holy cow, that's black. That was bad. That was bad. After 45 minutes, finally got it. So I'm gonna let that drain in there, and oh my god. Let me wipe off my hand. Okay, watch this. This is my hand. Now watch this. Look how black that is. I know, kitty. Look at that. That is bad. So, okay. We got the bolt back in. So now what we're going to do is pour some oil of the oil inside, from here, inside of here. So we can put it back on the truck and hope for the best. Just kidding. All right, now let's check for some leaks. And I don't see any leaks under the truck. And she sounds awesome. She sounds more healthier. And so, there you have it. This is how you do an oil change on a 2003 Chevrolet Trailblazer EXT or any Trailblazer in this year. So if you guys like the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and more mechanical awesomeness will come towards any car, especially my rebuild of my 2007 Dodge Charger. So stay tuned and more awesomeness will come. Thanks for watching.